Hi guys, it's Mrs. Salceda. I'm going to show you how to change your background. So if you're looking at your screen like I am, then you should see a stop video. Next to that is an arrow pointing up for more options. So I can choose a virtual background like this. And then you can pick any of the images that are already there. And if you have an image saved on your computer that you want to use, then you just go here to add image. While you're over here, these are all the other options that you can kind of play around with. Just make sure you don't change anything too crazy. If you have any more questions, then let me know. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to show you how to do your profile picture a little bit easier than the other way I showed you guys. So if we're right here, you can enter full screen if you want to. So when you're in full screen, you see that there's participants. Then you see yourself, right? So you can click on the more, and then I can edit my profile picture right there. And then there's a button so I can save the picture, or maybe I want to make it like further away so my face isn't so giant. Or I can just change the picture in general. But you're going to have to save the picture you want to your desktop or somewhere that it's easy for you to locate. And then you just save it, and that'll be your picture. If you have any more questions, let me know.